I like a lunchtime in a forge.
Yeah, very nice.
Bit of a late lunch, but
We're barely going to be able to fit in mid-afternoon snacks.
I think we save them till the tea turns up.
That's a good call. So when we was at IS Studios Open Day,
Yeah.
Dan made was it a Eurofighter? Or
Eurofighter or a Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Or
what was it?
maybe a Starling, or maybe a hummingbird, even. Just a
can't
really,
remember.
really big overweight hummingbird.
But it was out of a big chunk of metal, wasn't it?
But it looked pretty good.
See how long you set it trying to forge it out? It's a bit hot, that. It's going on nice. It's good wax. It's one of those eagle hummingbirds. Humming eagle. Humming eagle. The deadliest of all the hummingbirds. That worked out well, didn't it, mate? That's it.
So we thought we'd try and emulate it.
Yeah. And put our own little twist on it.
Yeah, because it may not look like a bird.
It may not.
So we're going to start with a 16mm bit square bar.
We're going to put a cut down in the one direction, and then turn it over and cut it in the opposite direction, and that we then force open with a chisel in both directions, which should give us
That.
something like a sort of cross.
Why does it have a square in the middle?
Because it's a hole, because these overlap,
Okay.
so that when it goes open, it sort of...
I did wonder why that was there, but I get it now. So when
Yeah.
those things there.
It's when the two parts overlap, you end up with a square in the middle.
Okay. So we make this shape, and then from then on, it's pretty straightforward. We form the front, the wings, and the thingy.
And the tail.
Oh, look at that! Wow.
That's what it's going to look like.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Is it time to
Yeah.
get it hot?
Yes, heat it.
Let's do it.
Beat it. 16mm.
Yeah. Happen to have some there.
Just happen to have a piece.
We're getting through that, aren't we?
Yeah, we are getting through it actually. Which is surprising because it's a big chunk of metal. Now, I have absolutely no idea, as with every project that we do, how much of this we actually need.
Wow.
Because it's not going to be very big,
No.
is it? So, like...
But we don't want it too small that we can't hold the thing.
No, but we do need it so... Because what we don't want is a really big bird with really, really narrow wings and narrow tail and head, just really massive. It's getting the proportions right. And this is going to take we're probably going to have a couple of attempts on this. Probably not today, but... Or maybe.
Do you know what? I think we're so good at these, we'll bang a bird out, it look fantastic, first go, and we love it.
All right.
That's just the way we roll.
Okay. Yeah. So when the family says, "Oh yes, brilliant, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Does anybody want it?" No.
No, yeah, no, I don't want
No, I've got nowhere to put something like that. What, you mean rubbish like that?
Yeah.
So they're just being nice.
Well, what would 10 centimetres look like? I should know.
4 inches. That's what that'll look like. That looks too much.
Oh my God, you reckon? Okay, should we go with 8 then? We just give it a really, really long nose. I suppose we could, I don't know.
No, no. I'm like that. I don't really know at
Because
all.
could you like offset the body back a bit?
Well,
Have like some of them, the front of it longer, which will form the, oh no, because then you'll end up with one wing.
we'll
one
end
with
up,
the
yeah.
other one.
That's the thing with
Alright.
making a cross kind of thing.
It's got to be an even number. Can't be 9 because that'd be too hard to figure out.
Let's go 8.
Go 8.
Then. So
Yeah.
we'll do it 80. We'll cut in, well, I'll cut in as deep as the angle grinder will cut,
Yeah.
to be fair. And then we'll see where we go from there.
Okay, well let's chop that bit off. See what happens.
Okay.
There it is. That might be the easy bit.
Yeah. Because this needs to be fairly accurate, doesn't it? Grinding and accuracy don't...
I don't know. It's going to be forged, so we're going to have lots of opportunities, aren't we, to,
screw it up.
yeah,
Yeah.
along the way. So let's not worry too much. Well, I don't know, but that looked like surgical precision, that did.
It's not quite deep enough, I don't think.
How
Hard
did we
to
get
tell.
it?
If we want them overlapping, then it's not going to happen. We've got 30 mil.
So how do we cut it deeper?
What's that going to give us? That's going to give us a lot of forging down of the middle. It'll give us like a full body, but
Well, is that the best that we can do?
well,
How did he get to...
without a hacksaw, could get a hacksaw, do it manually.
Yeah, I suppose so, the last bit.
Well, all I could do is cut down the one side a bit more, cut down the other side a bit more, and just take the middle bit out with the hacksaw.
Yeah,
Let's do that.
let's do that, yeah.
Let me have a little mark on here so I know about where I've got to be. So are we going to overlap these, do you think? Or are we just going to go halfway?
Well, it depends whether how important that square in the middle is, whether
Well,
that's a big deal or not.
The trouble is, it's got to be flat. So if you fold that bit out and you fold that bit out, it's got to sort of meet flat.
Yeah,
And if you've got sort of the wings going that way and the body going that way, you've got to forge this down.
we should be able to do that, shouldn't we? 16mm bar. We should be able to just keep hitting it until it does what we want. And if the hole in the middle is a big design feature, hang on,
What?
are you going to do that with the hacksaw?
No, I'm going to go in with the grinder and try and get it just this one side.
Okay.
I'll finish it off with the hacksaw. I think we need to be closer. We're like
We're very close.
we're 20 mil,
Yeah, from there.
so
Both
that's a
sides, yeah.
lot out. So I reckon if I flip that round now. Oh,
Oh yeah.
it's going to be a bit uneven.
pencil store.
I reckon that's most part. Yeah. So I'll do the cut in the other direction.
Let me see where we are, yeah?
Yeah. I think that's us.
That's got it.
That wasn't bad actually. I thought that was going to be horrible, but of course it is only mild still, I guess.
Yeah.
Just open. Oh, I did crush it in the vice a little bit.
Yeah. We got something we can just open it up a bit with? Yeah, must have something.
I got a chisel.
Does this do it? Just give it a little tap. Even better.
It's all a bit.
Yep. Oh, yep.
Now we're going to have to warm this up.
Stick it down there. So each line is cut past, I see. So that's when you get the hole in the middle then.
Yeah, it also allows it to fold flat as opposed to having this big chunk in the middle,
Yeah.
separating the wings and the body. Unless, of course, you want the wings higher than the body, which could be something else to do. You know,
Could
like
you do that wing impression again?
No,
Because that looked
not with my
fantastic.
back. No.
Right, let's get this going again then.
I'm not just here for your amusement, you know. So we're going to have to hold this.
Well, like that, just
Like
to
that.
open it, and then just bash it on the side of the anvil, innit? It's a bit of a
Yeah.
one-man job from then on.
Well, we can take it in turns whacking it, see who screws it up.
Well, which chisel? This little one? Suppose so.
I mean, we could almost use the a cut-off tool.
I suppose so. Make it easier, wouldn't it?
Might be. I was thinking of grinding this down so it would actually fit in the hardy hole.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Or is it? Actually, why don't we just make one, a cut-off tool for going in the hardy hole?
Why don't we
so
do
good
that?
at that.
Because this is quite good to use for,
Yeah, it is.
you know. We'd have to make it out of like forklift type.
Yeah, that'd be hard. No, we should be able
Well,
to, should we?
we could cut a square of it, like just a little bit bigger than that,
Yeah.
and and then
Just tap it down.
get it so that it fits in. That will give us a shoulder.
Didn't we start doing
Flatten off the top part. Oh, we did.
that? That's what we were doing.
Yes, it was.
That's,
We got a lot of projects sort of
we've got a lot of things on the go.
in the mix, haven't we? Really.
Yeah. This
We'll
is
work
going
on
to
that.
be quick, isn't it?
It's going to be a very quick turnaround. This is.
Yeah.
I'm not sure it's going to be a very quick project because there's lots of chisel work. You know, there's shaping the wings.
I thought we'd think that'd be nice.
That's awkward.
Shall I turn around 90 degrees for the next one? Do it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to bash?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Now what?
Throw them in the heat.
Do you want to do the other side now?
Well, it's either that or we flatten that off completely.
Alright.
But I don't know about flattening it off because we've got. What we'll have to do is hold it on the corner of the anvil, and I will split it on the corner.
Split up. I didn't watch that bit when Dan made it.
Yeah.
It's quite a way away.
We want to heat the other end up, really.
You do want to, or you don't?
Do. We want to work on the other end now.
Alright. Like that?
Yeah. Now, probably. Hey?
Yeah, why not?
Hey?
We made them.
Check them out, bad, bad boys out. Ouch. So you should be able to hold it like that, and then I can split that, yeah?
Alright. Well, is it hot enough now?
Not quite, but it's very close.
Yeah.
There you go, look. Gore. Our Amazon.
FX Forge?
I know, right?
That's our most popular video.
Is it?
The Amazon thingies.
Oh, right. That was quick.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sort of.
Get the hell out. Hang on, Woo.
Alright.
Oh, that's incredible. That's exactly what it has in the middle of them.
Well, that's a bit ridiculous. I like that.
So, what would you like to work on next? We got to decide on a tail. I reckon we do wings because they seem a bit longer.
Yeah.
Tail and nose. So flatten out the wings a bit.
Yeah. Let's do that.
What did he use for that? He used his fuller bit hammer, didn't he?
Yeah, we can fuller it out a bit, but we're going to need to obviously flatten out that edge. The leading edge is going to have to be flattened out so that it draws the wing round.
So that will be this is the nose.
Okay.
Should we put a little divot in the nose so we know where the nose is?
So we knows where the nose is.
Yeah.
Can do. I'll tell you what, if we put one right there.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the nose, or the beak,
Yeah.
or the head.
Wow.
I'm probably going to want a different hammer. Right, where's the front? There.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to have to take that down to a bit of a point before I get it too thin. Other way up, I think. Yeah, I want to take this front bit, and if we're doing like a swallow kind of look about it. Flatten him out. And it doesn't matter about, that's going to need more heat. It doesn't matter about things like cold shots either, really. It's only an artistic, it's not like a ninja throw-in star or anything. It's only a...
Yeah. They were hot.
They was hot. But they're nice little projects, and they're the kind of thing that people can do.
Yeah.
You know, like, you don't need an anvil.
No.
Really, for a piece of 16mm, you could warm it up with a blow lamp, and you could pretty much do all of it on a vice.
Yeah.
You know, you need a bench vice, a hammer, and a blow lamp.
Yeah.
And you could make one of these.
Easily. Oh well, that's screaming hot. You ready? Where do you want it next?
Same again. Flatten him out. Oh, that went well. Okay, on the wing. If we form the point first,
Yeah. So, did that easy, did that miracle. Now we're starting to work on the wings. Yeah,
yeah,
and it is actually
other way up, that's it.
won't be the first time.
No, ouch. Flatten him out. And the end again.
Bit more heat.
Yeah, a lot more heat. This might be my new favourite hammer, you know.
Yeah, it looks nice. I like the burn effect on the thing.
Yeah.
I might try doing some of those.
Hang on. And the end again.
Hang on. Freaking spider on here.
We don't want to.
Like running up towards the piece. Pretty good, yeah?
Yeah, maybe a bit more on
Yeah.
here, and then we need to round the wings, sort of feed them back a bit towards. Mind you, if we leave them as they are, it'll make it easier to do the tail.
Yeah, that's true.
Woo! Ah. Sort of here, isn't it? It needs to be.
Now that one needs a bit now.
That ain't bad though. Yeah, it needs a bit, but I tell you what, we probably don't need to do a great deal with that.
No.
Yeah,
Just
okay, a bit more on that one.
Just exactly what you've just done. This is why we can't have a cold forge, Gus.
I know. Wow. Jesus, nearly lost the end of that in the. That shouldn't even. You shouldn't even be able to do that in a gas forge.
A bit yeah. It's okay, isn't it?
Yeah, he needs to come around a bit more. But we can sort that all out at the end.
When we start doing the fullering on it, it's
Yeah.
going to be moving everywhere, isn't it? So that's the head, that's the butt. Do the tail now.
Yeah. But flatten it out a little bit, widen it out, and then we'll just put a split in it with the with a hot cut, and just. Do you think splay them out a bit, or do you think put a narrow tail? Are we going more? Are we going like a house martin-y kind of swifty tail with a split in it, or are we going to go for a fan tail like a sparrow?
What about a combination of the both? Putting the split in it and fanning it out a bit. What about fanning it out a bit, then putting the split in it?
Okay.
Yeah, because then we get that look quite nice, don't you think?
I don't know what it looked like, but we can. That's getting a bit wide for the forge now, isn't it?
Yeah. That will be.
I'm not getting a bigger forge, so we can just make like seagulls and stuff. Hot, baby.
We don't need much longer, do we? We want
No,
it
we
wider.
don't. We need it. I think if we do the rest with like a chisel, don't go all the way through, but just sort of get some lines in there to fan it out. I'll flatten it off, give it another heat, I'll flatten it off, and then we can... That's alright, I like that.
Yeah, doing good.
It is getting very big. Looks like something Batman would have in his arsenal right now.
When we next work on the wings, we'll have to make sure they really start to curve around to get the dimension not so wide.
Yes.
Because we're not going to be able to get them in.
Yeah, because the good thing with that is it's going to push it away from the head as well, which is going to need all the hammer work. The tail, really, if we just do what we say we're going to do, flatten it out and then just feather it out,
Yeah.
it doesn't really matter if the wings are there or not.
No.
So we'll, yeah. I got to open that hole up a bit. What we need to do is put some of those on the other side as well.
Yeah. Back in again, same again.
Same again. Yeah, flip them over.
Yeah?
Yeah, ours is going to be more of a bird in flight.
What next?
Well, it depends what we want to do with the wings, really.
Yeah, do some wing work.
Wing work.
Okay, then wing work it is.
So we want the wings? Do we want them leaning forward like that, like Dan's did, or do we want them leaning back like a bird in flight?
Maybe a bit more bird in flight here, I think.
I think so.
Yeah. Maybe we could put it on there to give them a bit more of a shape.
Yeah, give it a bit more shape, yeah. God, it's a lot of heat coming off of that.
What next? Other wing?
Other wing, and then we'll do the nose. And then once we've done all the beak and all that front end, then we can shape the wings to how we want them. I know the one that Dan did had the wings leaning forward.
They were like that, weren't they? We want them more.
But his was like a hummingbird, so the hummingbird was in that sort of S kind of shape, so it was like coming into sort of.
Yeah. We're going to do that again.
But ours is
Still
going
there.
to be. No,
Come on, show us the bird. What are we?
no, I'm not doing.
I
the
need
bird
to
thing
know
again.
what shape you want the bird in, so I know how to hold it. It's not that.
No, we want a bird in flight.
Ah.
Yeah.
So do we want to bend them around a bit? So it's a bit, not like diving. Oh, shit. This gets hot so quick.
Yeah, it does. Hot, baby. Straight in the mouth, that did. Ow! Jesus, that's hot. What are we thinking?
Work on the nose.
Yep.
I think it's looking good.
Because we haven't got a neck we haven't got like full of that in for a neck, have we? Because a bird's head sort of comes straight off.
Yeah, we just want to get
We
the
just
beak
want a
on,
point, yeah.
and then round it in a bit.
So what are we thinking for the beak? Are we thinking like a long beak? Are we going to go sort of hummingbird sort of long beak, or are we going to go like a...
Not too long, because I don't want to go out of proportion with the body and stuff. But we may have to cut some of it off. And you reckon form it into quite a long one, then cut it where we want it, so we can get it thin enough.
Sorry. got to be a hell of a beak.
Yeah.
I'm going to need to draw that out, I think.
Yeah.
Gonna need some heat in that. If we could possibly get it anywhere near the forge.
I have to put it in like that, like it's just flowed into it.
Is that the top? Oh, yeah, it is. Bit more heat. That's not going to take long to heat up. Good, on the floor, awesome. Wouldn't be one of our videos if something didn't end up on the floor at some point.
Well, it didn't actually fall on the floor, it like floated down.
It like flew down.
It did, yeah. It was like...
It was that bit of pasta you dropped earlier.
Yeah, it was.
Actually, it's looking more kingfisher now.
Yeah, we're putting it into that. What is that?
That's the water off your tongs. The other way up. I want to keep that bottom bit flat. All the work I want to do on that from the top, so we keep that offset from the head a bit.
I mean, we want to cut loads of that off, don't we?
Yeah. That's it, just back to your tiny touch there. Yep, that's it. Got it? I think probably we need to cut a bit of that off now so we can shape the beak. What are you thinking, half that?
Yeah, I think so. About 2/3 of it, I cut off right here.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Don't we want a longish beak though? I mean, I
don't know. I'll tell you what I was thinking as well. It's about rounding it off a bit, the beak.
Oh yeah, we'll round it off.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I didn't know whether to cut it off first.
So let's not cut off too much.
Alright.
Because then we can always cut off a bit more again, can't we?
So if you just put the end of his beak in the vice.
Yeah, you're going to...
Or should we hot cut it?
I was going to thought you'd...
Oh, it's hot cut it. Yeah. Sorry. It all went all weird then.
Yeah, I was going to say. Nip it off.
Flip over.
Yeah, that's okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
We start bringing that down to a point. So I keep turning it and you keep hitting it.
No, we don't want to put a twist in it. That's gonna twist it.
Maybe it's looking over there for a worm.
Get him right up. That's it. So we need to square it all up now. Okay, that's really good. So we just corner to corner now.
Yeah.
I want to just do a corner, right on the corner, right there. Why can I smell plastic burning?
Yeah, I don't know.
Can you smell it?
Yeah, I can, yeah.
Oh, that piece of metal that we cut off.
Oh, you stood on it?
I was stood on it.
Nice. I think that's okay.
A little bit on the... You're going to have a good hold of it.
Yeah.
Because if I hit that, it's going to want to swing round and hit me in the face. I've got enough problems.
What hammer are you going to go with?
Somewhat gentle. A tiny tapper, yeah, I reckon.
Ready?
Yeah. I say I don't want to go mega on it, but you got it?
Yeah. So move it up a bit once the end.
Flatten it. A bit more. That's not bad, is it?
No, I think that's pretty much the shape, isn't it?
If we can get the other one looking at it's actually not 100 miles off of that, to be honest.
No.
Is it? Just need to bring this end round a
just
tiny
get that
touch.
bit in there. Do you want to lift the wings up a bit? Give it a little curve up maybe, or curve down?
Yeah, maybe a little curve up. Sort of.
Get a bit of movement into it, like the tail as well.
Clear out.
A tidy up.
Well, not really a tidy up, more of a reshuffle.
It's crazy talk.
I know, sorry, that was silly. Wow, holy smokes. Right at the very tip, move the very tip up a little bit. That's it.
Another one. Then bring the tail down a bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, was my glove burning?
Do you want to hold it with these if you're going to brush it?
Well, we want to give it a proper wire brush in. How do those wings look? Yeah, they're pretty even.
Yeah. We'll just give it a little tap. That's it.
I'm thinking more goldfinch now. Except it ain't got a finchy beak, has it? I guess.
Yeah, it's the African honeydew goldfinch.
Ah, the famous
Yeah.
one, yeah. There we have it.
There he is.
A little attempt at the
I think I'm really pleased with that.
yeah.
I didn't understand where that hole came from or why it was always there, which I do now.
Yeah,
And the rest of it was just good fun to make, wasn't it?
it was. That was great fun. No, really enjoyed that. Nice little project, really.
Yeah.
And like I say, something you could do with a vice and a blow lamp and a hammer.
Yeah.
Really. So yeah, excellent.
Cool.
Hope everyone enjoyed that
Yeah.
as much as I did, because I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, it was good fun, that was.
Yeah, that was great.